Guys, the layer 1x airdrop, in my own opinion, is going to be one of the biggest airdrop in the history of airdrop in this crypto space. And not many of you are taking advantage of this. And you know why? Because this one requires you to actually spend and pay some gas fee doing a lot of swap activities on the platform. And because you are not taking advantage of this, I think that you'll be missing out big time, right? You'll be missing out big time. By the way, there are some giveaways that the platform is doing every day. Okay, there is $100 giveaway. There's $150,000 giveaway too that will be expiring very soon, right? This one here, okay, this $150,000 started like 60 days or 50 something days ago, right? And it will be ending in 8 days, and you can still participate in this. All you just need to do, which I'll walk you through right now, okay, is once you start swapping on the platform, right? Once you start swapping on the platform, if you swap up to 30, right? If you have up to 30 swap, you participate. Let me just go up there, right? If you get up to 30 swap before this 8 days expires, okay, you qualify to share this 20K. And then if you do 100 swap, you qualify to share 30K. And then if you do 200 swap, you qualify to get 50K. And people are here who are doing more than 200 swaps since this stuff started. It is a 60-day campaign, and after this maybe another one will come and all of that. So if you are not participating in the layer 1x airdrop, then I wonder what you are looking at. Currently, if you go to CoinMarketCap right here, this token is trading at $10 plus. It was $11 a few days ago. Today is at $10. And you can see that this token is currently trading on exchanges like Bitmart, is trading on exchanges like Binance, and then some DEX, Uniswap, and Rhythm, and then PancakeSwap. These are where this token are currently trading right now. So what happens if eventually this get listed on platform like Bybit, Binance, and so on? Anyway, this is not a financial advice. This is just what some of the things that I do in this crypto space to make money, and I just decided to share with you. So if it resonates with you, go ahead and take advantage of it. The links to all of this platform, okay, to farming the airdrop and all of that will be in the video description, right? So once you click on the link, it brings you to a page like this. All you just need to do is to go ahead and click on join, all right, to be able to share. You can see that they are giving away 10 million of the layer 1x tokens, okay, and that currently is worth over $100 million, right? So you want to be a part of those who are sharing this money, and you just go ahead and click on join now. And once you click on join now, in your own case, I've already joined, right? In your own case, it will ask you to join with a wallet. You can use any wallet of your choice. I personally use BitGet as my wallet, as the wallet I connected. And then for the Solana itself, it requires that you connect your Phantom wallet, right? So you can join with your wallet, you can join with your email address, you can join with your Twitter account or your Discord account, whatever option that is available for you, go ahead and use it to join the platform, right? Now, once you join, all you need to do is to complete tasks. Okay, all you need to do is to complete tasks. Once I come down here where it says tasks, you can see different categories of the tasks that you can complete right here, right? All you need to do, if I click on the onboarding, it will show you all the tasks. Some of these tasks I've completed them. Okay, some of them are daily tasks, so I'll be completing some of these tasks in 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour from now, you can see the countdown right here. All right, then if I go to the 10 million layer 1x airdrop, you'll see some of the tasks too that you need to complete here, and each of these tasks that you complete, there is a certain amount of the layer 1x points that you get. These points eventually will become tokens, or will be converted into tokens when the airdrop finally happens. Okay, if I come to the 150K USD swap, okay, to earn, okay, this one, what the requirement is that you need to swap, right? So there are about 1,810 L1X the P stand for points, okay, that you need to gain right here, okay? So the ones that are fulfilled is I've done 1 swap and I earned 10 of those points. I've done 5 swap and I earned 50 of those points. So the next one, if I click on verify now, you will get an error message there. Yes, I've not done up to 25. If I get 25, I'll claim this. And then if I do up to 50 swap, I'll claim this. If I do up to 100 swap, I'll claim this. Now, all of this swap that you do, all you just need is on the website right here, you'll see where it says swap. If I go ahead and click on swap, it brings me to this page, right? And then you need to click on connect wallet up here, right? I've already connected my wallet. So you just click on the connect wallet option and you can connect wallet of your choice, whether your Solana wallet or any wallet of your choice. And then right here, I can be able to now swap from any chain of my choice, okay, from BNB and all of that to any other chain of my choice, right? So that's the work, okay, that's the technology, that's the layer 1x is a blockchain of its own, right? So what they are building is the ability to swap or to interact from one network to another without needing a third party and without paying too much fee, right? So they need people to do all of this swapping from one network to another. And as you do the swap, you stand to earn some points, okay? So I'll continue to do it. When I get up to 25, I can come in here and claim, right? You can go to the daily swap draw tax, okay? And right here, you can earn up to 320 points. All right. So it's a spread the word. You can go ahead and do this. And these other daily tasks, I will complete them in 1 hour from the time of recording this video. So there is the layer 1x hold option. So you need to own at least 5 of these on Solana. I think I've done these on BNB. I've done these on Ethereum. Now, because I have not connected my Sol and my Phantom wallet, okay, or my Solana wallet and all of that, this is not working, right? I have not been able to actually swap. If I go to that swap option, I'm supposed to swap. I have some BNB, I have some USDT right here. And if I want to swap that to Solana, it doesn't work, right? I need to swap and select that one right there. So I have some USDT right here. I'm supposed to do this and it works, but I wonder why that is not working. So if I go ahead and do for like $60, let me see how many of the layer 1x token that I will get. Okay. Okay, I'll get about 7. So right here is saying I should add a wallet address. Let's see if it works, but I just need 5 of that. Okay, let's do $50 and see if I can get 5. All right. So this is how you do all of the swap. But if it works, okay, that's 6. Let's do about $40. All right, let's do $40 because I don't need to use all the money, right? I just need 5 of those tokens and I'll qualify. Okay, 5.1. So right here, it tells me to destination. So I need to add my Solana address right here. Okay, so I'm converting or swapping from my USDT, which is on my Binance Smart Chain, to the layer 1x token, which is on the Solana chain. So if I go to my BitGet wallet right here, I will go ahead and look for layer 1. This is on BNB. As you can see the logo there, this is on Ethereum. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on this plus icon here to add that layer 1 token. All right, so if I type in here L1X, so L1X, this is on Ethereum. You can see Ethereum mainnet. This is Binance Smart Chain. This is Polygon. This is Solana, right? Okay, I've already added it. All right, this is already added. So I'll go ahead and look for it. All right. So let me go ahead and look for it right here. Where is it? If I don't see it there, I can just type in the L1X. Okay, so this is for Ethereum, this is for BNB, this is for Sol. So I'll click on it because it's asking us for what our destination, right? Okay, so I'll click on it and then I'll click on the receive option. All right. Sorry, I got an error there. This token is not yet listed. Please be aware. Yeah, okay. So go ahead and click on receive and then I'll copy this address and I'll paste the address right here. Okay. If the address is wrong, it will tell you that it's wrong, right? So if the address is wrong, it will tell you that it's wrong. So we'll go ahead and click on send and that will open up and we'll go ahead and click on approve transaction. Whoa. There's a mistake. It's doing from Ethereum. It's doing from Ethereum. Oh God. Oh God. What did I do? I hope I've not done anything wrong here, right? I don't know. Let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed and see what happens right there. Normally, the one for Solana, you're supposed to connect your Phantom wallet, right? You're supposed to connect your Phantom wallet. But let me just see what happens right here. I hope I am not committing any blunder right there. Okay, I hope I'm not committing any blunder right there. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it requests transaction. So we need to confirm. Go ahead and click on the confirm option. Okay, now because I'm doing, from BNB directly to Solana, it will now reroute to Ethereum from what I saw on that pop-up. okay, and then come back again to BNB. And I don't know how this thing is done, but let's just see what happens, okay? If it is successful, we'll be able to see that token on my wallet. All right, so transaction, approved transaction, I've done that. So let's wait for the successful message. Just give us some more time. Okay, let's see what happens right there. All right, guys, you can see, all right, you can see right here that we've successfully swapped 40 USDT to this, all right, to Solana right here. So if I go back to my wallet, and yeah, so we now have 5 of those tokens right here, right? So now that I've done that, I'll come back here and click on verify. That's the issue. Okay, it needs to do this on Phantom, but I don't have Phantom wallet, guys. Okay, I don't have Phantom wallet. Okay, let me just connect this. Since I clicked on it, it opened on my BitGet wallet. Let me connect and see what happens, if that will work. Okay, so I'll go ahead and click on agree, and yeah. Oops. Okay. First, I got congrats. Okay. The second time, I got a wrong message. It's still not working. All right. This has to be done on the Solana network, right? It has to be done on the Solana network. So that convert I did and all of that is. But for this one, I did it the same way I showed you. Okay. This one, I did it and then I got it right. Okay. But this time around, this one is not working and I wonder why. All right. I don't know what the error is all about. I just did. Okay, so that's how you do that. Okay, but for this particular one, you need to connect anything that has to do with Solana swapping and all of that. You need to connect your Sol wallet, right? Then you can go to the next one, which is the DEX section right here. You need to swap at least one USDT equivalent of BNB to this, and then one USDT. Okay, these are all daily tasks. You need to be doing this every day and be earning some of these points. Okay, swap OG. You need to swap Ethereum to this. Okay, you need to swap Solana to this. You need to swap AVAX. Okay, I think I've not done this. Let me see if I can verify that. Okay, that's not, I've not done that too. So let's see if we can swap AVAX. Okay, swap AVAX to L1 on any network, it or whatever, right? So let's go right here and do that. Okay, we'll go to the swap option rather, right? Go to the swap option, go back to swap again. And then this time around, right here, I will select the AVAX, the avalanche, right? And then I have some AVAX 0.6, so click on it. And then I want to swap this AVAX right here. You have okay, yeah, because of this write-up, right? That's why it's saying I don't have it, I have insufficient whatever, right? So I will swap that AVAX back to BNB chain, and then I want to swap it back to BNB, for instance. Okay, let's see how that works. So I'll just say I want to swap 0.3, which is half of what I have here. Okay, I'm swapping 0.3 back to BNB, and then it's around 5 point something dollars. Click on send and click on approve. Then confirm the transaction, and transaction successful. So let's just see how that goes. Just give it time and then you can see it get completed right here. This is how you continue to do this, right? This is how you continue to do this. And before you know it, you are already swapping, okay, paying some fee. And at the end of the day, you qualify to get back part of that money, all right, before the airdrop happens. And as you are doing this, you are earning points. Okay, so I'll be making, series of videos following up this to see what else, okay, to just keep you updated and all of that, right? Because this video is getting too long, but just go ahead and try it out. If there is any error, if you have any issue, if you have any challenge and all of that, you can just let me know, guys. All right, you can let me know in the comment section, or you can join us on Telegram. But the thing is, don't miss out on this airdrop, because this is one of the best. Okay, don't miss out on this airdrop, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So let me go ahead and confirm that. I think we'll just do for AVAX, right? So let's confirm. It has not been successful yet. Yeah, it's not successful. Okay, right here, it's still processing right here. So once it's successful, right? Once it's successful, because it needs to just take our time. I think it's getting, yeah, so it's successful right now. So I'll go ahead and click on confirm again for that AVAX. Okay, it's still not going through. We just keep trying, right? We just keep trying. I've swapped that, so it should be able to work. Okay, I've swapped this, so it should be able to work. So I'll just keep trying. Just give it time. Once the network confirmation is done, automatically this will go through, right? So that's everything you need. You just complete the tasks one after the other, and I'll be making subsequent video to show you things you need to do and how to qualify for the airdrop going forward. All right. So if you have gained value from the video, smash that like button. All right, and leave a comment if you don't understand anything. Make sure you join us on Telegram using the link on my bio or in the video description. That is it for this video, guys. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.